Omugyezi Christine Biira Mukirania wabaire nyina w'omusinga wa Rwenzururu nikigamba ngo akahereza James Bwambale omukobuzunanizibwa bw'okuguma nazo mu State House okumwihirayo sente ez'okumaraguriza kwonka nikigamba ngo bwanyuma ya Biira kurwa mu magara g'enseegi Bwambale akiza yazo mu State House niko kwihayo miriyooni 39 ez'okushashura ebishare by'amarwariro agabiire gari mu Kirembe Mines Hospital hamwe na Kasese Hospital kwonka tarazishashwire. Vincent Twesje ry'omugambirizi wa Pooriisi ahabwa Rwenzururu East ahamiza amakuru ago kukwatwa kwa Bwambale.
This man was supposed to be paying his or her the late's sick bill, hospital bills. And this man did not pay the hospital bills, and he mismanaged the money or misused the money.
Nka TV West tukirira irwariro rya Kirembe Mines Hospital kandi batuhamize kurungi kuba kubanza sente iziri kwingana miliyoni 1.6.
Up to now, after billing the bereaved family, we have never received the money. Therefore, to those who are claiming that Kirembe Mines Hospital received the medical bill, it is false. We are still demanding.
Yorede Bwambale uri kurira Kasese Hospital nobwa yangire kutugambira omuhendo gwa sente ezabaire kubanja kwonka ayikirize ngo nibakibanja.
Now concerning the bills, like any other client, as Kasese Hospital, we offer both the cash and credit services, and like Nyamkam, we offered her a credit service, of which to date we are still waiting for a payment from the royal family.
William Kibanzanga uri mutabano w'omugenzi nagira ngo bakagwerwa kagwe ubahiko mu State House bagire kwakira sente zo kushashura bakabagira ngo muramu Bwambale akazihayo.
So when we went back to the State House to confirm whether the money was paid, the principal accountant in the State House told that he paid all the bills to settle the medical bills of the Queen Mother.
Obwa hati Bwambale akikumirwa Pooriisi ya Kasese obwe Pooriisi eri kuchondoza ahiyatire sentezi gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzo muri Kasese.